Alright everybody, you have already seen the video. The Roger Dodger toxic truck. Move that aside. We got four-wheel Hive, four-wheel 5. So this is a pretty cool truck, and if you look on the back, you got the Marvel Spider-Man, which I think looks really cool. I honestly would love to pick that one up. The four-wheel 5. That's right here. The Leopard Shark, which is kind of interesting to me. Mega Rex, I'm basically just a blackout Mega Rex. Motosaurus, Podium Crasher, and Hot Wheels Racing Red. So, let's just open up four-wheel 5. Hive, my bad. Oh my god, that just ripped right open. Alright, take this out. Seems like this is a matte paint job. It's really smooth. Well, kind of. It doesn't feel like it looks like it has a glossy coat, but it actually doesn't. Weird. And then the car. No one cares about. All right. So the steering works perfectly fine. That's good. That's what I look for in a truck. Other than psychedelic here. It barely wants to turn. Invader almost had the same problem. He almost did. He almost did. But, nope. We ain't talking about Loco Punk. We ain't talking about psychedelic. We ain't talking about Invader. We ain't talking about Roger Dodger. Nah, we talking about four-wheel Hive. I keep wanting to say 5. But yeah, you got four-wheel 5 right there. I just love the golden body color with the yellow tinted window. It just shows if it's in like actually like a bee honey color. As you can see, you got the bees right here. The red rims. I think the red rims are supposed to like accent the red on this bee right here. I think that's what it's supposed to accent. The yellow roll cage. It's just sick. I think this is my second SUV truck. I don't know how many SUV trucks that there are in diecast form anymore. I rarely see them anymore for some reason. Like, I can never find another, like, SUV monster. I mean, I'm still looking for all beefed up. I saw them at Target once, but I wasn't interested in looking for the Hot Wheels monster trucks since they're local to me. They're local to me in O'Reilly's Auto Parts store and AutoZone, since I live in Oakhurst. It's just a little town, and it doesn't have any big supermarkets like Target or Walmart. Or like anything else like Kohl's or anything. I did see some trucks at Kohl's one time, so you can't be saying, oh, but they don't sell stuff at Kohl's though. So, I was only looking for the Spin Master trucks down when I went to Fresno, because that's the closest place to me that has a Target and a Walmart. I was looking through there, and that was the only reason I go to Targets and Walmarts is to find the Spin Master trucks, unless AutoZone and O'Reilly's don't have the trucks that I'm actually looking for. But I did see Sriracha at Walmart, but I was like, nah, I'm going to be looking for the Spin Master trucks, because I have I have only few. I only have 8 right now at the moment. I think yeah, like 6 of them. 6 Spin Master trucks are from 2-packs, and the other 2 are from singles. And that's Bakugan, Dragonoid, and Big Kahuna that are from the singles. Anyways, I guess that's it for the review. There wasn't really much to say except for me just like talking about stuff. So please wait until sign up series number 9 signups to come out. They will be coming out soon. And hopefully hopefully y'all sign up fast because it took you guys a little while to sign up for Sign Up Series number 8. So you guys might wanna sign up soon because well, by sign up soon I mean wait for the signups to come out, and see you later.